This is ArkEngine. ArkEngine is basically just a routing framework. So we have routing based on PHP FastRoute. Then we have a templating layer that uses the Eftec Blade, that is a standalone version of Laravel's Blade. So if I go to app/routes, I can define my routes as controller and methods. This is a controller that returns a response that uses the custom request and response classes. And then we can also add a whole directory for generating the URLs from blade views directly, like this and this. We can use templating, etc. The everything that Laravel's Blade or the Eftec BladeOne that provides. So that is the simple thing. Uh, If I show you in execution, this is how it looks. But the thing that makes it different is we can generate static pages. So let's say if I go to my build folder and I'm going to delete them for demo, and here I have my build script. So if I open if I build it using php build.php, I can generate the static HTML files, and those HTML files, they are complete HTML files, not the cache generated by Laravel's Blade or Eftec Blade, not that. Those cached files are here, but this thing is pure static HTML. And if we go to routes, you can see if there is a dynamic route, like let's say post, so we can have a argument assigned, and we can we can provide a URL for that post ID, and we can generate the static page from that. So if I show you in execution, this is the this is let me show you the execution. So I need to go to build folder, and if I open the server here, so this thing, that is complete HTML. So it works exactly like it works in the PHP mode. Of course, it is not dynamic, but one thing about this project is that we can generate a static site, but if we have to use something dynamic, we can use fetch, and we can fetch it from the API. I mean, we can implement an API here, and we can just simply fetch that.